How to set up creator account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can set up creator account on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So you might have a personal account, now you want to switch and set up a creator account, right? So in order to do that, just open up Instagram, and then once you open Instagram, come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom, and then once you've done that, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then you simply want to come to settings and privacy. And once you come to settings and privacy over here, you'll be able to see all these sorts of information over here. And once you're on this specific page here, you can see account type and tools. Just tap on it. Once you tap on account type and tools, it says switch to professional account, so just tap on the switch to professional account option. Now over here you can just select get professional tools or whatever else. Just tap on continue and just select any of the categories or niches, and now we're switching to a professional account. Now when you switch to a professional account, a main important page is going to open up that's going to ask us whether we want to switch to a creator account or whether we want to switch to a business account, right? So since we're learning to switch to a creator account, we're just going to leave it at creator. If you are a business though, you can do that absolutely, but I'm just going to leave it at creator and then just tap on the next option. And then once I would have done that, I'll have successfully set up my creator account on Instagram. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then set up your creator account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.